Have you ever set a goal only to find yourself stuck and not making any progress? You're not the only one. Most people make some pretty common mistakes that can derail their dreams before they even get started. Setting goals is an important part of achieving our dreams. So avoiding these common pitfalls can set you up for success and finally achieve your dreams in 2025. One major reason people fail to achieve their goals is that we don't set them correctly. They're often too vague, unrealistic, or too focused on the wrong things. Unrealistic goals can lead to discouragement and abandonment, while superficial goals might not bring the fulfillment we're looking for. Without a clear strategy and a solid understanding of what we're working towards, it's easy to get distracted, lose motivation, and give up. Another issue is that many of us focus on the outcome rather than the process. We get so caught up in the ideal of achieving our goal that we forget to enjoy the journey and celebrate small wins along the way. This can lead to burnout and a lack of motivation. We need to shift our focus from the outcome to the daily actions that help us get there. So what are these 7 goal-setting mistakes that can make or break your progress? Let's dive in and take a closer look. Mistake number 1, setting too many goals at once. I used to do that all the time, wanting to get as much done as soon as possible. But when we do this, we're spreading ourselves too thin and increasing the likelihood of failure. This leads to being overwhelmed and can lead to inaction as we're not sure where to start or how to prioritize our goals. Focus on less but better. Instead of setting several goals, choose 1 to 3 high priority goals that align with your core values and long-term vision. Mistake number 2, not making our goals specific and measurable. Vague goals like I want to be healthier or I want to be more successful are difficult to achieve because they're not specific or actionable. To fix this, try setting smarter goals that are tailored to your specific needs and desires. If you want to learn more about setting smarter goals, there's a link to that video here. Mistake number 3, not having a system of accountability. When we're not accountable to anyone, including ourselves, we're more likely to procrastinate and abandon our goals. This could be as simple as sharing your goals with a friend, joining a community of like-minded individuals. You can also subscribe to my page and click the like and alert button for notifications. That'll be a part of your community as well. It could also be set an alarm or a notification or asking Alexa or Siri to remind you of your goals. These options work especially well for introverts like myself. Mistake number 4, being overly optimistic about our ability to change. We often underestimate the effort and time required to achieve our goals, leading to discouragement and frustration when we don't see immediate results. While it's great to have ambitious goals, setting yourself up for failure is not going to help you achieve them. Break your big goals down into smaller, manageable chunks, and focus on making progress 1 step at a time. Mistake number 5, setting goals that are not aligned with our values and priorities. When our goals conflict with our values, we're more likely to feel unfulfilled and unhappy, even if we achieve them. For example, if your goal is to earn more money, but it requires you to work longer hours and sacrifice time with your family, you may end up feeling unfulfilled and unhappy. Mistake number 6, not leaving room for flexibility and adjustment. Life is unpredictable, and things don't always go according to plan. Goals should be a guiding force, not a rigid framework that we're stuck to. By leaving room for adjustment, we can adapt to changes in our circumstances and stay on track. Things are always going to come up in life, so make room and be flexible with your goals, so your first choice is not to give up, but to make adjustments along the way. The most critical mistake that can make or break goal achievement is not having a growth mindset. When we have a fixed mindset, we believe that our abilities and intelligence are fixed, and we're limited by our current skills and knowledge. This mindset limits our growth and potential, as we're not open to learning and developing new skills. By adopting a growth mindset, we open ourselves up to new experiences and even opportunities, and we're more likely to achieve our goals. So there you have it, the 7 goal-setting mistakes that can make or break your progress. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional with your goals and taking deliberate action towards achieving them. What's been your experience with goal setting? Have you made any of these mistakes in the past? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how to set goals that stick, be sure to check out my video on the top 5 goal setting strategies that actually work. Thanks for watching.